Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an upsell or complementary products to Shopify. This feature is excellent for boosting your sales by suggesting related items that customers might be interested in purchasing alongside their original selection. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage your entire store. Now look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations for your store. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Apps on the left side panel. From there, you'll see an option for the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. In the App Store search bar, type in Shopify Search and Discovery, then click on the app when it appears in the results. This is the tool that will enable you to set up those complementary product recommendations. Once you've opened the app page, click the Install button. You'll be redirected to a new tab where Shopify will ask for permission to access some of your personal and store data. This is standard for app installations, so click Install to proceed. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. This might take a few seconds, so just be patient while everything loads properly. Once the installation is finished, look under the Search and Discovery section and click on Recommendations. This is where you'll configure which products appear as suggestions. From the list that appears, click on a product that you want to add complementary items to. You'll now see an option labeled Edit Complementary Products. Click the Browse button next to it. A window will pop up showing your product catalog. Select another product that pairs well with your original choice, then click Add. This links the two products together as complementary items. After adding your complementary product, click the Save button at the top of the page to ensure your changes are stored. Next, on the left side panel, click on Online Store. You'll see your current theme displayed, and beside it, there's a button that says Edit Theme. Click on that to customize how these complementary products will appear on your site. At the top of the theme editor, click on Homepage. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Products, then select Default Product. If you'd like to change which product you're previewing, click the Change button and select your desired product from the list. On the left side of the editor, click on Product Information. This opens up the customization options for your product page layout. Now click Add Block, and from the options that appear, select Complementary Products. This block is what will display your upsell items to customers. You can rearrange where this block appears on your product page by simply dragging the Complementary Products block up or down to your preferred position. This flexibility lets you place it exactly where you think it will catch the most attention. Once you're satisfied with everything and the layout looks good, click the Save button in the upper right corner, and that's it. You've successfully set up complementary products on your Shopify store, creating opportunities for increased sales through smart product suggestions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.